Hey Artland, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw a chili dog. Now, to start off with this, we're going to begin with the bun. So I'm going to start here and I want to draw a nice big line that's going to kind of curve up to here and then it's going to go around to here. So we're just going to start here and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up. Then it's going to kind of curve down. And then it's going to just kind of curve back up and then around. Now I'm going to take this line and I'm going to draw it down to about here. And I'm going to leave that little space there. Now I want to make it look like there's a little bit of chili like falling off of here. So I'm just going to draw kind of like a bumpy little line right around here. And then I'm going to just kind of draw it right to there. Now, next we want to make the hot dog. So starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to go up. And I'm going to go right to about there. And then same thing here, just kind of go up and then right in. Now we want to make the chili on top of here. So I'm going to start here and I'm just going to draw some kind of wavy, bumpy lines all around here. And then I'm going to start here and I'm going to do the same thing, just add some kind of wavy lines. And then I'm going to leave a little bit of space in between some of these lines too, and just draw some bumps right to there. Now we want to put the cheese on here. So I'm going to add some kind of curved little rectangles all over here. And I'm just going to kind of fill these up all around. I want to put some back here, put some over here. I'm going to draw some down here at like an angle. And we're just going to kind of put them all over the place. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to kind of curve up and then go down. And then I'm just going to kind of draw a couple little lines right behind here. And then just kind of curve it back down to here. I want to put a little line right there. Now, right on here, I want to add a little face for our chili dog. So to draw our face, I'm going to just make a little circle for an eye right here. Then I'm going to leave some space and I'm going to draw another circle for an eye right here. Then I'm going to add a circle at the top. And then another smaller circle. Then I'm going to add a little line inside of here. I'm just going to color this in. And then I want to add a little mouth. So I'm just going to add a little smiley face. I'm going to make a little line go down and then kind of curve up. I'll put a little tongue in here like this. Then I'm just going to color this in. And then I'm going to add a little eyebrow above each eye. And there you go. There is your drawing of a cartoon chili dog. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.